What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm out here at this bridge and I'm going to be fishing with a little circle hook and 3 little split shots and a bobber with a live crawdad. And here, I'll show you all the circle hook I'm using. I'm using just a little tiny circle hook, and I'll show you what to do to a crawdad if you're going to use it for bait. So here's your crawdad, and what you do is you grab its big pinchers, you throw them in the water, and then what you want to do is you want to grab your little hook, and you're gonna get your hook, and you're gonna put it right up here in its tail. I'm gonna get it right up here in its tail. This guy's pretty slippery, slimy. What you do is you get it right up there in its tail, and then you poke it through right here, and let the hook stick out like that. And he's still alive. And I'm just gonna cast him out there with a bobber, and see if any of these little smallmouth or largemouth or big bluegill want to eat him. I'm just gonna let it drift down the bank. I think my bobber is set a bit too deep. I'm gonna shallow it up. Got a little tiny bobber on there and 3 really, really small split shots. Alright, I'm actually I'm gonna take this bobber off of here and just fish it on the bottom. And I know that I've been seeing little bass and stuff up in there, but they're not like, I think they might get a little bit spooked to have that bobber out there. So I'm just gonna cast it out there. And it's kind of hard to tell if you have a fish, but most of the time you'll just see your line just start swimming off. Or you can, it's either a fish or a pump now. Hold on, guys, I'm gonna walk up here and try to get the center coming. It's mainly just a sandy bottom down there. There must be one big drop. And this is a little circle hook, so I don't know if I'm going to get it unhung without snapping my line. 6-pound mono, so. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get this thing off. Y'all after I break this off and tie on a new hook. Alright, guys, I'm back, and I put on a bigger split shot and a smaller hook and a little tiny crawdad. I'm going to cast back out there and try not to get hung this time. I cast it around that pillar. Just going to cast straight out there like that. Wait, see if I'm gonna eat it. Just gonna reel it and pause and let it sink back down. And reel it. Oh, that's fish. Got him. Get over here. I don't want to lose him. What is it? Oh, no way, guys. I caught a shiner. Seems like everywhere I go now, I caught a shiner fishing. Oh, I can't remember where I was fishing. Guys, look at this shiner I caught. Look at that. Caught a shiner on that little tiny crawdad. Let that shiner go and rehook my crawdad and cast him back out there. Alright, guys, I'm back and I'm at a different spot now. And it looks super deep right out here. And I just got a crawdad tail and just a little split shot on there. And there ought to be some smallmouth just down there waiting. I've seen fish come up and take it and start swimming off of it. Like, my split shot will sink really fast down to the bottom, and then my crawdad tail will just slowly go down. So most of the time they'll pick it up and probably swim with it. Or I like to jig it. Don't know if I have one or not. Might get hung right there. Maybe, as in probably. That's like a root water right up there. You guys, there's just really not much action out here. There's just, no, I haven't seen too many signs of fish, like big ones or anything, swimming around. Cast. I got wrapped up around that tree over there, and now I'm hung in this tree. Oh, now I'm hung in this tree. Okay, and I still got my bait. It's kind of embarrassing if you ask me. You get hung in 3 trees at one time. Guys, this is like the worst creek I've ever fished at. Like, surprisingly, I haven't caught a bluegill, smallmouth, a regular bass, nothing. I mean, the worst creek ever. Well, thank y'all for watching, and whatever you do, don't come to this creek, because all you're going to do is get hung. I got hung in 3 trees, lost a lure, and the only thing I caught was a little golden shiner. Well, actually, it wasn't a golden shiner, just a little tiny shiner. And yeah, there ain't no smallmouth in here or largemouth. Totally seen some, but they're just super skittish. So whatever you do, don't come to this creek, and it's the worst creek I've ever fished at. So thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace!